Old Guy with a Wrench, coming at you with another quick fix project, but this time it's on my 1988 Suzuki Samurai. This little rig is my daily driver. I took it four-wheeling last weekend, and I just noticed that I got a crack on one of my cross members in the front of the frame. So let's go over here, see what we got going on, and see how we can repair it. So this is what I'm talking about over here. If you could see, if I could focus it, let me see. If you could see right down the cross member tube, the crack all the way through. You can see the offset right there. We're going to go ahead and try to fix that. Let me see if I can get a better angle from the bottom. Oh yeah, looks like somebody's done some work here before. So you can see that right there, it kind of cracked all the way through. So we're going to repair that. First thing you want to do is go ahead and get a measurement of the tube. See what you're working with. Next thing you want to do is find yourself some tube. You can either go buy it or find whatever you got and cut it to length. What we want to do here is go ahead and cut the tube in the area that is cracked. So basically what we got here is about a ½ an inch cut from the cross member. Once we install the new tubing in there, we should be able to take care of this problem. If you're going to weld this tube in, make sure you clean up the area that you intend to weld on. I always recommend using protective equipment when using a wire wheel. As you can see, she ain't pretty, but she's in there. All you gotta do now is clean up and paint. So I completed that little project on my Samurai. But as far as repairing the cross member there, there's many ways you could have done that. I decided to put an extra tube in there for extra support. If for some reason you don't have a welder, you could always drill out some holes on each side and put in a screw and a nut, and that should hold the pipe in place. But the way I did it, I doubt that thing will ever break again. If it does, probably because I'm beating the junk out of my Samurai. In the meantime, while I think about my next move, like always, keep wrenching.